Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. How do you create a custom exception? In today's video, we are diving into something super useful, custom exception in Python. We all know Python has a bunch of built-in exceptions like value error, type error or zero division error. But what if you want to create your own error that makes your code easier to understand, debug and maintain? So stick around because by the end of this video you will be able to create, raise and handle your own custom exception like a pro. So let's start today's video. So let's quickly remember what is an exception. So an exception is an error that occurs during the execution of a program. If it's not handled, it crashes the program. So let's understand exception with an example. So this will raise a zero division error because dividing by zero is not allowed. So to prevent this, we use try except block to handle exceptions. So as we can see, this raised zero division error. So now we'll use try and except to handle this exception. So why use custom exceptions? So here we create our own exceptions. So let's say you are building a login system. If the user enters the wrong password multiple times, you might want to raise a custom too many login attempt exception. So this makes your code more readable, specific and easier to debug. So similarly, what here we have done, we have created our own custom exception which will print you cannot divide by 0. So we can see that it printed you cannot divide by 0. Now let's dive into another example of creating a custom exception. So creating a custom exception is super easy. So let's see how. So here class custom error exception, this creates a new exception class that inherits from Python's built-in exception class. Then def init self and message, we define a constructor to take a custom error message. Self.message is equals to message, we store the message in the class, and super.init self.message, this passes the message to the parent exception class, so it behaves like a real Python exception. And now ahead we'll see how to raise the custom exception. So now let's see how we can use this custom exception in real code. So in this example, we define a function that takes an age. If age is less than 18, then we raise our custom exception that you must be at least 18 years old. This triggers the error with our custom message. And then print age is valid, access granted. This line runs only if the age is valid. And now in the another example, we'll see how to handle custom exception. So to prevent the program from crashing, we use a try except block to catch the custom error. So let's use try except block to catch the custom error. So in try block, we try to call the function with the age 16 and accept custom error as E. If a custom error is raised, we catch it and assign it to a variable E. Then it prints error occurred. We print the error message stored in E. So this will output error occurred. You must be at least 18 years old. Now let's dive into another example, which is to see multiple custom exception. So you can even create multiple custom exception for different situation. So let's try that with an example.